Ayan na ang aking beshi. He playing a bicycle today. Yeah, Beshi. Go there. It's water, Beshi. Be careful. Yeah, my Beshi. Where we go, Beshi?
To the bus.
To the bus. We go by bus?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Don't be hurry. Careful. Ayan na siya. Beshi. Okay, Emmy, throw it this garbage.
The Oppo.
Yes. Okay, I throw this garbage, okay?
Oppo.
Oh, let's come.
Okay.
Go in this side. Hi, mga Beshi.
Bye, Beshi.
Say hi to Beshi. Oh, my cute Beshi.
I'm not my cute Beshi.
Okay, you are a big boy.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, we're going with the out with Emmy again.
Bus.
Yeah, with the bus. Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. What you want to do today?
Bus.
Yeah, we go bus, but where we go?
Bus.
Okay. You want first ride with the bus. Okay, I understand. You want be with me in the vlog? I do it vlog?
Yeah.
Okay, is it okay for you?
Yeah.
Okay, so we will go to eat chicken again. It's our chicken day. So, ayun mga beshi, pupunta na naman kami ng KFC. Kasi paborito niya yung chicken sa KFC. You like the chicken in the KFC, yes?
And then we buy strawberry ice cream.
You want also strawberry ice cream or chocolate ice cream?
Strawberry.
Strawberry, okay. This time, he want the strawberry ice cream. Okay, we're gonna try if they have. Okay? Ay.
La voz de aquel que pregonaba así. Catalina me encontré en uno pensado. La voz de aquel que pregonaba así. Cita, échale salsita. Oye, mira que llegó. Échale salsita. Échale salsita. Oh, ah, ah.
Alam niya na kung saan kami pupunta.
And it was stopping to feel shoulders. And
Dito kami kumakain mga beshi. Paborito niya tong lugar. Dito kami kumakain. What we have today? What you gonna eat?
bus.
You eat French fries, chicken, and we have a chicken wings, and of course he has the chocolate ice cream. You like it? Yeah? He is happy boy. Happy boy, happy tummy.
I'm not happy, Dummy.
You're not happy tummy. Our beshi is our viewers, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm gonna cut your chicken, okay? Sabayan ko na siya ng kain. This ice cream later. You eat first your chicken and french fries, okay?
What's that?
That one is chicken wings. I think it's a little bit spicy. You don't like spicy?
This
So,
is-
yeah, it's chicken. Okay?
Yeah.
Tatabi ko nga muna mga beshi.
I'm not my bestie.
You're not a beshi. But our viewers is a beshi.
Yeah.
Kakain muna kami mga beshi. Whoop! Nom, 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 nom. For Emmy is the chicken wings because chicken wings is spicy. Yes?
Yeah.
Mhm. Ito sa kanya pinakakain yung
Chicken
balat.
wings.
Yung laman lang.
Chicken wings is spicy.
Yeah, a little bit hot. Wait. Nauubos ko muna sa kanya ang manok. Mainit, mainit. Ouch. Mainit siya, mainit, mainit.
Makulo.
Kaya niyang ubusin yung 2 pirasong hita ng manok. Oop. Oop. Be careful, okay?
Not owl. Not owl. Not owl.
Where we go?
Úkolčete prosím místo a nástup.